The cabin temperature control system on a models 525, 525A, and 525B Citation aircraft can be operated either manually or automatically. In automatic mode, the cabin temperature select knob is used to vary the heating and cooling of the system. Please note that during normal operation, the air conditioning switch should be in either the auto or the fan position to allow the aft evaporator fan to draw air over the cabin temperature sensor. It will not do that in the off position, which can cause false cabin temperature readings. In most operations, a selection of 12 or 1 o'clock position can keep the cabin temperature comfortable for most of the flight. Please keep in mind, however, that as the aircraft cruises at altitude, the outside temperature is in effect cold soaking the pressure vessel, and adjustments may be needed to keep the aircraft cabin warm for longer or night flights. The best method to operate the automatic system is to anticipate the need for more heat before it actually occurs, and to command it before it becomes obviously needed. This is especially true for longer or night flights. Once behind the curve, it can be difficult to catch up with the heating system. Manual operation of the system can sometimes help if the automatic side does not seem to respond or is otherwise inoperative. Due to the nature of the overall cabin temperature control system, it is important that the momentary switch be placed in either hot or cold only for 1 to 2 seconds at a time, with an adequate time period in between actuations to allow the cabin temperature to adjust to the new setting and to stabilize. The cabin temperature in manual mode is controlled directly by moving the ram air modulating valve in the tail cone to change the amount of cooling air directed through the cabin heat exchanger. This movement is instantaneous, whereas the overall effect of change can take several minutes to be felt by the crew and the passengers. Please take care not to expect heat to come immediately from the vents while holding the momentary switch in the hot position for more than a couple of seconds. In most cases, if the hot is held in more than a couple of seconds, you will likely get a duct overheat annunciation, and you will have to drive it back to the cold position to clear the annunciation. This method ends up chasing the desired temperature and is not effective. The best practice is to move the momentary switch to the desired position, in this case hot, for 1 to 2 seconds at most. This should be followed by a 3 to 5 minute pause so that the cabin temperature has a chance to stabilize at the new setting. If at this point additional heat is required, this process may be repeated until the target heat is achieved. If the system is working correctly, you should be able to get the desired heat within a few attempts at most, without getting the duct overheat annunciation. For assistance in troubleshooting heating and cooling issues on the CJ series aircraft, Team CJ can be reached directly at 316-517-7785 or toll free at 855-832-9831. We can also be reached via email at teamcj@cessna.textron.com. Find us on the web at www.cessna.com.